Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2005 ECE paper, and this topic is related to digital circuits. The present output Qn of an edge triggered JK flip flop is logic 0. So it was given that one Qn is equal to 0. Qn is equal to 0 if J is equal to 1. If J is equal to 1, then next state Q plus N plus 1 is equal to how much? So this can be said directly from the truth table of JK flip flop. JK flip flop truth table is going to be looks like this one: JK Qn plus 1, that is next state of JK flip flop. So JK values can be, there are four possibilities. They can be 0 1 or 1 0 0, 1 0 or 1 1. So whenever J is equal to 0, K is equal to 0, we know that when it is Qn, that is next state is same as present state. 0 1, that is this is called as hold state. And 0 1, whenever J is equal to 0, K is equal to 1, directly the next state is 0. It doesn't depend on the present state. So it is treated as reset state. Whenever J is equal to 1, K is equal to 0, it doesn't depend on the present state. Directly the state is going to, next state will be 1. That is set state. Whenever J is equal to 1, K is equal to 1, it depends on present state, and the next state is nothing but complement of present state. So this is complement state. Complement state or inversion state. So whenever J is equal to 1 at that time, if J is equal to 1, and whenever Qn is equal to 0 at that time, Qn is equal to 0, Qn is equal to 0 and J is equal to 1. What are the possibilities? Okay, at that time Qn is equal to 0. Whenever Qn is equal to 0, J is equal to 1. By that time K can be value. It can be either 0 or 1. Okay, take this one. So Qn plus 1 if you are going in this way. J is equal to 1 and K is equal to 0. 1 0. 1 0 is nothing but it is set state. By that time, whenever K is equal to 0, J is equal to 1. At that time, irrespective of present state, you will get the output as 1 because it is set state. And instead of that one, K may be 1 also. Okay, J is equal to 1, K is equal to 1, but the present state is 0. By that time it is complement state. Complement state is nothing but Qn plus 1 is Qn bar. Qn bar implies nothing but 0 bar. 0 bar is nothing but again it is 1. This is complement state or inversion state. So in both cases, irrespective of K value, output will be 1 whenever Qn is equal to 0. So this will be always at logic 1. So the answer for this question is C. C is going to be the right answer. The present state Qn of an edge triggered JK flip flop is logic 0. Then if J is equal to 1, Qn plus 1 will be at logic 1. Okay, so it doesn't depend on the K value. Directly Qn plus 1 will be logic 1. Thank you.